Okay, Liz, so here's the review assignment. Hopefully I got the right one. Page 113, and yeah, it would be helpful to read through this scenario here, just so you can kind of get a sense of what you're supposed to be doing. You're going to go find that commercial document, and it shows you exactly where to go to get it. Word to review, you already got that. You want to save it as commercial lead. So I've got mine open. I'm going to save mine as, so file, save as. I'm just going to put it in the same place that I just put this other one. And I'm going to call this commercial lead. And now it's commercial lead. Okay, great. So let's go back to the instructions now and read the first comment, which provides an overview of the changes you'll be making to the document in the following steps. Perform the task described in the second comment and then delete both comments. So here's the comments. So if I click on one of them, it says, please format this handout similar to the home lead document using the title style for the document and the heading style for the headings. All right, so you need to do that. So this is going to be title, and then we're going to center it. And then these are all going to be the heading 1 style. There's some more down here. So the special projects gets to be heading 1. Those are all part of the list. This one gets to be heading 1. And we'll keep going down and we'll just be basically doing all those headings here. And you kind of have to do that in order to be able to, I think that's all of them. So in order to be able to follow the next steps pretty easily. All right, so we've got that. Let's just see if we've got all of our format the handout similar to the home lead, use a title style, and the heading 1 style for the headings. Okay, great. So they said, well, we'll leave that, and then we'll go delete both of them. Let's go down and find the next comment. And the next comment says, just put your name in there. Okay, so let's put our name in here. I'm going to save it again. I'm going to go back to the instructions. Okay, it says delete both comments, so we're going to delete them. So go there. Oops, nope, that's not what I wanted to do. You can hit this little drop down. No, you can't. You got to go up to the Review tab, and I'll click delete that one. And we'll click this one, and we'll click on delete. Okay, so they're all gone now. I'm going to save my work again. Go back to my instructions. In the middle of page 1, revise the text special projects that only the first letter of each word is capitalized. So let's just do this. So we want to go to the Home tab, and we want to go to the Find, and when we do that, it brings up these different options here. So it's telling us that the Special Projects section is kind of misspelled. So we're fixing this one, Special Projects. You can see that your headers are still listed over here on the left-hand side, because we're going to need those in a second. They want us to attach a comment to it. So let's highlight it and go to Review, go to New Comment. I proper cased this if that's cool. Okay. So now I've got my comment there now. Okay, we're going on. Near the end of page 2, move the Getting Started heading up to position it before the paragraph that begins Talk to your project manager. So let's go down here. End of page 2. Okay, so the end of page 2. And they say to move the Getting Started heading up to position it before the paragraph that begins Talk to your project manager. I'm going to have to read that one more time. Move Getting Started, okay, position it before talk to your project manager. So getting started goes, I'm just going to copy or cut it and then paste it, and I need to make that one also a heading one because I got it wrong. So let's just make sure we've got that right. I'm going to read it one more time. Getting started goes up before talk to your project manager. Okay, so now they want us to replace the second instance of design with design. And this we did cover in the previous chapter. So the way you do it is you can use the navigation, and you can come in here, go to options, choose match case, choose OK. Let's go back here. Replace the second instance of design with lowercase design. So uppercase design like this. And the results are going to be here. So there's the first one, there's the second one, and we can go in here and change that to a lowercase d. And then you're moving on in step 6 to list of suitable projects, bulleted in square lists, and we can go here. And those are the bullets, and they want us to do something more square, like that. And then they also want us to come down here, and they want us to do this. And we're going to do the same thing. And then for these, we're going to indent them just a little bit. So that's a sub points there. And I think you probably got all that stuff. And then I think we're going to need to do a little bit with this. Format the 3 steps for developing a certification plan as a numbered list. Okay, so that's what I thought. So we'll make these an ordered list, like that. So hopefully that gets you started, and we'll see how that goes. Thanks, Liz.